Ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Governor, the Chief Guest, has arrived. May we request one and all to kindly rise up to welcome the Chief Guest. Khwai Pumnamak, Honorable Governor Butaram the Okchabo Aina Lekhat Minanaba, Nolukchani. We request all the stalls to kindly shut and the stall honors to take part in the inaugural function. Thank you. After the arrival of the chief guest, Talu Kakong in Taku, that is the festival trumpeting, will be performed by KC Kayai Sang from Talui village, Ukrul district.